Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Volvo C30 service light. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. Before we begin, it's crucial to ensure all necessary maintenance, like oil changes, has been performed. Now, let's get started by inserting your key into the ignition and turning it to the first position. With the key in position 1, find the trip counter reset button on your instrument cluster. Press and hold this button down firmly. It's important to keep it pressed throughout the next step. While still holding the trip reset button, carefully turn your ignition key to the second position. Do not start the engine, just turn it to position 2. Keep holding that trip reset button. Now, pay close attention to your instrument panel. You'll see an amber eye information light. Wait for this light to start flashing. The moment it begins to flash, release the trip reset button. You should hear a small chime indicating that the service message has been successfully cleared. To finalize the process, turn your ignition completely off and remove the key from the ignition barrel. Now, reinsert the key and turn it back to ignition position 2. Take a moment to check your instrument cluster. The service light or message should now be gone, confirming a successful reset. Congratulations, you've reset your Volvo C30 service light.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.